In this way, I will show you best way to install Chrome extension on your Android device. For this, you have to go to Play Store and search here Lemur browser. So just search Lemur browser and you will be able to see this app. It can help you to install Chrome extension on your Android device. So just open it and then you will see something like this. If you want to go to Chrome Web Store, then click on these four boxes and then you will be able to see extension store. Click on Chrome or Edge. This app support both. Okay, so you can try any of them. In this way you will be able to install easily any Chrome extension you want. You can see, by the way, you have to turn on your desktop mode like me. Okay, after that you will be able to see something like this. It's just like desktop or Windows, Mac, whatever you are using in your other devices apart from Android. But now you can also try this in your Android device with Lemur browser. So just select any app you want to install. I have plenty of extensions already in my device and I'm using it. In the same way you can also do it. It's not that hard. Okay, there are some extensions which may not work and show you this item is not compatible with your current Chrome version. Okay, but not every app will show this kind of error. So you can see here, for example, this is the app turn off the lights. So just click on add to Chrome and click on OK and wait for a few seconds. 45 sort. And now you can see it's showing me, it's redirecting me to this website called turn off the lights. If I want to use it, just I will click on four boxes and I will be able to see Chrome extension which I recently installed in my device. Okay, in the same way you can also try any extension you want.